Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make brinjal curry. For that we have to take one big ladle of oil to the pan. I have cut the brinjals into big cubes like this, and I have soaked them in the salted water. We have to add the brinjals to the pan. To this we have to add the onions. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of crystal salt, mix all of them well. In a mixer grinder we have to add 2 teaspoon of coconut, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, to this we have to add 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder. We have to grind all of them into a smooth powder. We have to close the lid of the pan and keep the flame in medium. We have to cook the brinjals till they gets into smooth and tender. We have to occasionally mix the brinjals and onions upside down like this, otherwise they may get burnt. To this we have to add crushed kasur methi, one teaspoon of kasur methi I am adding to this brinjal fry. Now we have to stir all of them. To this we have to add 2 teaspoon of fried onions mixture, fried onion and fenugreek leaves mixture. This is our grounded coconut garlic red chilli powder. I will add it afterwards. Again we have to close the lid and cook for some more time. This time we have to keep the flame in low. Let us check whether our brinjals are cooked well or not. See, our brinjal pieces becomes smooth and tender. At this time we have to add the coconut, garlic, chili powder to this and mix all of them well. To this I am adding the coriander leaves. Add handful of coriander leaves to this and mix all of them well. Close the lid of the pan and turn off the flame. Keep it aside for 5 minutes by closing the lid of the pan. Now our brinjal stir curry is ready to eat and serve. Serve this hot with chapatis. I have made the chapatis just now. We can preserve these chapatis for 3 to 4 days. They will not spoil. We can carry them along with us while we go outside for tours. We can carry these chapatis. They may not be spoiled for more than 3 to 4 days. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.